Hi, I'm Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to go over day 8 on the Facebook affiliate campaign. All right, guys, let's get started. Just wanted to show you kind of what's possible here. This is one of our affiliate accounts. This is today. You can see the date, 3/6/2018. I'm not showing you guys the offers here, but this is just one of our accounts running, and $3,800 coming in one day. So profit-wise on that, I think our ROI is well into the thousands. I don't know the exact amount yet because it's still running, but I'm going to guess somewhere around 1,500. Yesterday we ended up at we were at 17 something in profit in one day. So we're crushing it right now. 1,700, 2,000 a day in profit. This is today. This is the real deal here, guys. I'm still running some campaigns besides the mortgage one I'm showing you guys in the follow along, but this is the real deal. We're crushing it with this campaign right now. So let's do the math here. Now this campaign, a couple of these only run during the week, so it's only about 20 days a month. And let's say we average 1,500 a day. That's 30,000 a month on these campaigns that we're making in profit. Not too shabby. So if you guys are interested in more about this, we're going to have a course coming out. We're going to have a free course, and then we're going to have a paid course, and then a coaching group coming up in the spring. If you want some more information on the coaching group, first off, hit the like button for us, and drop a comment down in the email below, and we'll put you on the email list for the coaching group. All right, so let's see where I am at here. I don't have quite as good as news. I'm not too bad a shape here, but yesterday I had 2 conversions at $90. Today I had only 2 conversions. A lot of clicks, so 25 clicks. Well, actually, just another one came in. So that was literally in the last 10 minutes before I looked at this. Another one came in. So a lot of clicks. Even yesterday with 23 clicks, only 2 conversions. It just seems like, man, something's a little fishy here. I should be getting more 25 clicks, 3 conversions. I should be getting more conversions on the amount of clicks I'm getting here. But anyway, let's take a look at what we spent. We're at 135 in revenue. This is today. Let me refresh this, just make sure we're on the latest and greatest. Looks like we are. Come on, Facebook, don't be so slow. All right, so we brought in, what was that, 135? Yep, 135 today in revenue. It's still running, and we've spent 150. So we're negative 150 minus 135. We're negative $15 today. Certainly not great, but we are running some tests. Okay, so when we are testing, typically you lose money in trying to find a winner. Okay, so please understand, even if we're only down $15 and we've been testing a bunch of ad sets today, that is actually pretty good. So yesterday, let's see where we were at yesterday, and I think we actually lost a little bit of money yesterday too. I did try to scale it. I did bump the budget on the original mortgage to $100, so it's been 102. I spent 103 and brought back in 90, so I lost $10 yesterday. So this was kind of the problem we've been having with this campaign all along, where we're trying to scale it. Every time we bump the budget up to like 100, even a little more. This was the last 3 months. It seems like it just like breaks even or loses money, and it's like, we were up when we were running low budgets, like $25, $50, but if we just run those kind of budgets, there's really not enough dollars in there to really keep an eye on this thing and maintain it. It's just not right. The only way to really make money in this particular world of affiliate marketing that we're in is to scale, which you can clearly see we're doing on that other campaign when we have days that we're bringing in $3,800 in one day. So that's called scaling. So clearly we know what we're doing, and we can scale certain offers when they're working, but this offer in particular has been a little bit of a thorn in our back. It's just not working for us as far as scaling. So I'm going to continue to tinker with this. Let's take a look at today here again. Let's go back to today, update this, and then we'll show you guys kind of what we're doing here. We actually tried some different targeting here. Tea Party, 56 plus, male and female. We broke it out by 45 to 55, 45 to 55, male and female, Trump and Tea Party, okay? This one we've gotten one lead on, so not enough data here to really see if this is the winner or not. Let me show you what this ad looks like. We'll go into here. This ad is going to look like, let's look at the targeting first here. Actually, that's what I wanted. There we go. That's what I wanted. And let's take a look at this one here. This was where we got the lead, and this is what the ad looks like. Now, keep in mind, we've left the copy pretty much the same. We got the warning with the emojis, own a home, yes and no. A couple of exclamation points, arrow pointing down to the link. And then we got a picture of Mr. Trump here holding some sort of document or framed document, and you know, pretty much everything else is the same. The avatar is still the same, with African American woman, whites of the eyes looking up. The website is still the same. Everything is the same. Productscout.org. That's the site. I show it in video 1. If you haven't watched video 1 through 7, please go back and watch the series here. Looks like we've gotten one share here. Let's check the stats on this particular ad, and let's go back to here, and let's go back. Yeah, let's see if we can do engagement here. So we've gotten one share on this one, and only one post reaction. But again, we're only spending, you know, there's not enough data here. Okay, so you know, when I'm spending you know, $25. Let's go back to performance here. And you can see our budget is only $25 here. So we've only spent $19. We've got one conversion. There's just not enough data here for me to really make an assumption if any of these are going to work or not. I mean, like I said, we're at 19, you know, 18. I'm going to let these run for a little bit. We already know that this copy in our advertorial has been converting on some levels, at least at a break-even level. But this is how we test until we find something that hopefully, you know, this 1981 a lead actually can keep us around, you know, around $25 a lead. Well, then we're at, like, you know, about 100% ROI. So, you know, that's why we keep trying these tests. So overall, you know, we are down a little bit with this campaign. Let's take a look, see where overall this is going to be year to date. We've generated $990 on this particular campaign, and let's go to lifetime here. Actually, we need to go back to the campaign level, and we'll go to lifetime, and let's see where we're at. Update, there we go. And it did not update. Lifetime, come on. There we go. All right, so let's see. We spent $12.40, so 990, 1240 minus 990. We're down about $250. Okay, and the last couple days in a row we've been just about breaking even, maybe even lost just a little bit. So I'm negative 250 right now in this campaign. You know, not ideal, but I'm not sweating it. If I can just get one of these ads, you know, any one of these ads to work, or if I can figure out why when I scale this one, this is the original one that was, you know, you can see the cost per lead here at $44 is, you know, for the lifetime, that's just about break even on that particular ad set. So if I can figure out how to get this thing to, you know, be a little bit more profitable, whether it be maybe playing with the copy a little bit, you know, playing with the advertorial a little bit, I'm not that far. Okay, so I'm down about 250 total, but if I can just get one of these things to work for me, one of these tests kick in, and I can make that 250 back in the day easily with scaling. You know, like I said, we're making $1,800 a day roughly right now on other campaigns. So, you know, the fact that I've lost $250 on this over the course of like 2 weeks testing and stuff, it's not a big deal. We've actually had campaigns where we've lost thousands of dollars, like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 before we figured it out, and then we make that back in like a couple days. So, you know, that's just how it is. So, stick around, you know, for more updates here, guys. I'm going to continue to run some tests. You know, this is the latest test. If you guys want this image and you want to try this one for this one that's actually converting here, I can, you know, this is Donald Trump holding a thing. You could probably Google Donald Trump and find a similar image, or you can ask us for our image, and I'll be happy to give it to you. Just leave a comment below, and I'll send you this image if you want. You have the copy, you have the advertorial, so you have everything you need here to run some tests, guys. But this is how we do affiliate marketing. So you have to tinker around with these campaigns, and you test different targeting, you test different images, you test different ages. It's a test process until you find a winner, and then once you find a winner, you scale. I mean, that's just all there is to it. So as of right now, I have not found a definite winner yet. I was kind of hoping after the weekend that this grandma one was going to be my big winner. Let's show you guys real quick just so you remember what we're running here. This is grandma crying, and unfortunately the cost per lead on this particular campaign is what I'm making. So unless I can get this lower, or I can possibly hit up my affiliate network, another option, and ask them for a pay bump on this particular campaign. If they can give me, like, say 55 a lead instead of 45 a lead, well, then I'm instantly profitable, and I can maybe try to scale that way. But the numbers are still a little bit shaky right now. There's not enough data here in the overall campaign lifetime. I mean, we've only spent $1,200 on this campaign. We've made $990. There's not enough data here in the pixel, in my opinion. There's not been enough conversions here to fully season the pixel. I would say it probably takes at least a good 100 to really get this pixel working for you. So I'm just going to continue to run some tests. I'm not losing an exorbitant amount of money. $250 is not a big deal for us. I mean, we have a testing budget of a couple $1,000 per campaign until we decide that it's just not going to work. We're just going to keep running and playing with the numbers here, and playing with the images and the copy and the targeting, and hopefully we nail this thing. So if we don't, we don't. My media buyer tried on this offer for 3 months. I told you that in another video, and he could not get it to pop. So maybe we're just going down a dead-end street here, but that's affiliate marketing. Unfortunately, not every offer is going to work. But we're so close here. I mean, like I said, we're just like right there on the numbers. I mean, like, we got a cost per lead of 44, and we're making 45. So what can we do to make that better? That's what we're trying to figure out. Can we beat the mean? Can we beat the average? So that's it, guys. That's my update for today. Go out there and keep running some tests. I've showed you guys how to do this, how I'm doing it. And again, we have a little bit of promising news here, I guess. I mean, the fact that I was able to get that one conversion today on this particular ad set here, that's promising. So it's a working ad. I mean, obviously it worked today, but let's see if it works tomorrow. Let's see if we get some more data here. If we get some more conversions, we may have a winner, we may not. So I don't know. All right, well, hope you guys enjoyed today. If you did, I would appreciate you giving my channel a big like, and subscribe, and bang that notifications bell, and leave a comment below and let me know if you guys have some stuff you'd like me to test. I'll be happy to. I mean, like I said, not everybody has a couple $1,000 testing budget like I have, so I'll be happy to run some tests based on what you guys think would be a good opportunity here. So if you guys have an image that you think might be a winner, you have some targeting ideas, age ideas, I'm willing to listen, man. I'm doing this, guys, for you, and I'm hoping you guys are learning some stuff here. I'm trying to learn this campaign as well. Like I said, my media buyer, he's a whiz at this stuff, and he couldn't get it to work, but I'm pretty good at this stuff as well, and I'm having a little bit of a hard time here getting this to work. So it is what it is. I'm going to be fully transparent here. I'm not going to try to sugarcoat this. I mean, like I said, I'm not too concerned when I have other campaigns making us well into the thousands per day, and I'm losing $50, $20, $10 a day here. I'm not worried about that at all. So this is for you guys. So if there's anything you would like me to try out here, just leave it in the comments below, and I'll be happy to just see if we'll run a test and see if we can get it to work. All right, guys, meatheads out. Talk to you later. Thank you.